waxing Nisi Poo's other bikini line, and I decided to pull out the red, so we already covered the white, the blue, now we got the whole red, baby. Red, white, and blue, you already know. We're using the red blood wax by Indulge Wax, and here on Tech Talk, she's waxing with the Cooch adapter. And yeah, we won't get the bikini line taken care of because Nisi Poo is able to provide us with a full body content series. We love it. Hold the pressure. There you go. And look at that. And what I like about this wax, it actually lays the hairs flat. Like if you ever use this wax in your ST, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like the wax goes on and it lays those hairs flat and looks pretty cool on the strip sometimes. Clean up in opposite directions. Don't forget you can save 15% off with code Waxing Queen when you visit their website. You can always click the link in my bio, which is my link tree, and then you'll see it somewhere down there, I promise. Going in for a little deeper bikini line, she made this decision last minute, which means I had to go back and do the other side because I didn't do this on the other side. She didn't want to at first, but we're doing it. I guess the bathing suit she's wearing, it's gonna be one of them little, you know, show lube, be it bathing suits, if you know what I mean. So no cutting, guys. This is just real time right here to show you guys a dry time. It's ready to come off. I just had her hold her underwear just in case the border of the strip wasn't dry, but it was dry. Just like that, guys. Let me see if I can show you the strip. Okay, let me move to the other side. There it goes. Because I'm on the opposite side of the bed doing this side just to record for you guys. But that's it. Follow up with our pretty kitty and body oil and stay tuned for part 6. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And we start off with using the hot wax. Definitely hot. Avoid that strip because I'm telling you, that strip will take your soul, not just your pubic hair. We apply the hot wax strips. The first 2 go on and we mirror image them, going down in the direction of hair growth on one side and applying on the second side. Once it's set, we're going to pull up against that hair growth. We're going to get them handles and we're going to get ready to stretch them bits. Now, when I say stretch, we are going to stretch and we're going to tug and do short, firm pulls upwards until the pubic hair is gone. Bye. Okay, now we're going to repeat on the other side. It's not as simple as that. We have to do the second step. And once we've got that bit gone, we are ready then to start removing the hair on the lips. And I'm not talking about the lips on your face, honey pie. If you find little flaky bits of wax being left on the skin, just use your shiny side to pick them up off the skin. Keep it neat and tidy. Anyway, we go straight to the lips and we add our hot wax on. We're going to layer it onto one side first. And the reason I say one side first is because we don't want to be mirror imaging and keeping it completely shut. Now that's an image and a fault for all of us. So don't be standing there twiddling your fingers while the wax is drying. You can go over back to the outer side and pick up any random hairs that were left behind. So if you're super hairy, don't worry, girl, we've got you. We've got your back and we're not going to leave you sitting there with any hairs that are unwanted going home. For each area of the Brazilian wax, there are different ways of how we remove our wax. And over on the lip area, you need to make sure you get that handle and pull nice and firm. Quick, firm movement.